The concept is mindset. Bill Gates has a mindset. Mark Zuckerberg has a mindset. Warren Buffett has a mindset. All these billionaires have a mindset. And if you have the mindset, you will become them, because there is only one rule. That rule is you become as you think. The success of this program depends at least 50% or 70% even on changing your mindset. What do you mean by changing your mindset? From the morning till evening, you are thinking, and that thinking creates the mindset. And if you observe your thought patterns, then you will know what kind of a mindset you have. Okay? Is it positive, negative, or neutral? Or are you obsessed on a particular thought? And if that will do tremendous amount of help. But then what's happening is your thoughts are autonomous at this point, but they are not. You can control your thoughts, provided you know how to control it. Provided you regulate your thoughts. There are 50 thoughts in a minute for some people, and everybody has at least a minimum of 30 thoughts. Do you need those thoughts? And that's life energy being spent. Number one, you don't need these thoughts. Number two, what are those thoughts? What are those thoughts? Have you ever looked into that? And these are things that are in your control. You may say that it is out of my control. It is out of your control if you don't change it. If you decide to stay on bed, you will stay on bed. If you decide to stay out of the bed and then go to work, you will go to work. So it's a thought. The thought is behind everything. So you have to hourly check your thought, and then I'm going to teach a lot of techniques, tools, give a lot of tools, how to regulate your thought patterns. The patterns have never changed. And what are those patterns? I'm going to make money this way. All of them are wrong ways. That's why you have not succeeded. Now just answer this question. How many years ago that you wanted to become financially independent, or sometime in many cases, I want to become a millionaire, but it remains as a thought. And a thought which you don't even believe, because the thoughts, if you analyze them, they are not very supportive thoughts. They're basically confused thoughts, if not negative. So I'm going to teach you in the program. I've trained people who will come on the program and teach periodically to help you, because I have decided to commit myself to this program so that your success is my success. So the key points are immobilizing your karmic thought. The patterns are karmic, whether it is money or relationship or health or karma. You can immobilize it. It's a small, simple technique like putting your attention on the two nostrils will immobilize your thoughts. Nobody has taught this, and I have taught this in some courses, and those things will be given as part of your training, depending upon what program that you enroll. And then immobilizing your thought, then diffusing it. The second step is to diffuse those thought patterns, and then planting another set of new thoughts that will create a different pattern. So you cannot be without thoughts. You will have to have thoughts. What thoughts you are going to have is important. Now, how is Shreem Brzee is going to help? Shreem Brzee is at the origin of your thoughts. When Shreem Brzee gets into your conscious stream, because its nature itself is abundance, because its nature itself is wealth, you will be bound by the Shreem Brzee's vibrations. The vibratory frequencies of Shreem Brzee, full of wealth, will influence your thought patterns. That's happening because you are thinking Shreem Brzee. You are meditating on Shreem Brzee. So that's how your mindset will be changed. So I have given, even in this, whatever I have said could be start for months together, because there's so much to learn. But I will give you only like a pill. Do this, because there's no reason for you to learn the technology behind it. So that is the first step, the mindset, repatterning the mindset by making you to think properly, to think prosperous thoughts, and then replace those negative, confused thoughts with the prosperous thoughts. The most prosperous thought that you can have is Shreem Brzee.